Have you ever heard someone say, "I was munching on chips," and wondered what exactly a munch means? It's a fun, expressive word that brings sound and action together in one simple verb. The word munch is pronounced mvnch. It is mainly used as a verb, but it can also be used as a noun in informal English. As a verb, munch means to chew food steadily and often noisily. It usually describes eating something crunchy, like chips, carrots, or popcorn. When you munch, you don't just eat, you chew in a way that others might even hear. As a noun, munch can refer to the sound or act of chewing. For example, I could hear the munch of popcorn during the movie. Let's make it simple. If you eat quietly and quickly, you just eat. If you chew slowly and repeatedly, especially something crispy, you munch. Here are some easy synonyms. Chew, nibble, crunch, snack, gnaw. Each synonym has a small difference. Nibble means taking small bites. Crunch focuses on the sound. Gnaw means biting repeatedly, often on something hard. Now let's look at antonyms. Swallow, gulp, devour, when eating quickly without much chewing. Example sentences make everything clearer. She loves to munch on apples while studying. He was munching popcorn during the movie. The rabbit munched on fresh carrots in the garden. Imagine sitting in a quiet classroom. Suddenly, someone opens a packet of chips and starts munching. That crisp chewing sound? That's the perfect example of munch in action. Munch is a lively everyday word that adds color to your English vocabulary. It makes your sentences sound natural and expressive. Keep learning and growing your vocabulary with Thesaurus Thrive.